I'm Chris Whitehurst, and this is the Terms, Tips, and Tricks for Real Estate. Each episode, I tackle a different term from the world of real estate and help to guide you through the transaction. Go ahead and subscribe and ring the notification bells. Make sure you never miss an episode. This is episode 70. We're talking about the debt-to-income ratio. How much debt you have compared to your income is a huge determining factor for lenders when deciding how much money you can borrow for your home. It's based on a percentage of your income that is obligated to debt. A lender is going to want to know that you have the amount to pay for your house payment as well as the rest of your debt payments, and they're all well taken care of. The debt-to-income percentage is determined by the lending regulations in your bank. If you have car payments, credit cards, and other secured loans, your ability to qualify for a loan will be, and honestly should be, impacted. You don't want to be house poor. Don't buy a home bigger than you can comfortably afford. You may love the home, but without the ability to do anything else, your blessing will soon become a curse. If you like these videos, there's more of them along with a ton of other great content on my website at chriswhitehurst.com. You can also check me out on Facebook, YouTube, and other social media sites. Be sure to like and subscribe and stay plugged in on everything real estate. Until next time, I'm Chris Whitehurst. Welcome home.